Just off the Pittsburgh mainline in Derry, PA, rest two cabooses upon an old rusty section of track. They were brought here by Conrail in the early 90s to be a centerpiece for a small heritage park. At the time, both were masked in the blue scheme, but both in fact predate the consolidated rail era. The Pennsy caboose is a classic N5C, built in 1942. It features a distinct porthole windows and cupola. It served for the years till being restored for use as a small museum here in Derry. Today, it is closed and in need of repairs. The Conrail caboose is an N7D constructed in 1952. It served on the Erie and Lackawanna for much of its service before finding its way to Derry, where it became converted to be a small gift shop. Just recently, it received a new paint job, giving it the appearance of just coming out of the factory. This lower head signal once stood at the Southwest Junction in Greensburg, between the Pennsy Main Line and Southwest Branch. Today, the branch is part of the 5-Star Trail. Thank you for watching. We hope this will be the start of a series featuring cabooses and other old rolling stock in the area. If you'd like to be notified when the next video comes out, be sure to subscribe.